Hello all, Mike here, and I just wanted to show you a quick recipe that I'm going to do. That's called No Peak Beef Tips, and it's so simple. It literally, you can throw it together in under 5 minutes and just sit and wait for it to get done. 2 pounds of beef stew meat, 1 package of onion soup mix, 1 can of cream of mushroom you usually use, but I use cream of chicken because my wife does not like cream of mushroom. So I have to substitute cream of chicken. And we will have 1 cup of ginger ale. You can substitute anything else. I've used 7-Up when I didn't have ginger ale. You could even substitute water, but I don't know how it would turn out. Anyways, and you can also add, which is optional, a can of mushrooms. My wife doesn't like mushrooms, so we will not be doing that. So with that said, let's get this together. First of all, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 300 degrees. And it will be 300 degrees for 3 hours. That's right, 3 hours. But the meat will be very tender and fall off. It'll just fall apart. So I've dumped the meat in, and I'm going to put the cream of chicken over the top. With the cream of chicken in there, we now are going to just dump in the onion soup mix, just like that. We are now going to put in our 1 cup of ginger ale. Just like that. Don't have to be fancy. In fact, you don't even have to mix it. You can just leave it like that, throw it in the oven. I'm going to cover it and throw it in the oven for 3 hours, and it will be done. Voila! Caution, as you're cooking this, your house will start to smell very good. So be prepared. And I am going to make egg noodles because that's what I like to have with it. You can do anything you want, mashed potatoes, whatever. But this is what I always do. I'm also going to have some corn. Well, there it is, right out of the oven. Let's get this on a plate. There you have it, guys. I'm ready to eat. Thanks for watching.